This is the maths main activity for Wednesday the 22nd of April. The learning intention is to add and subtract fractions with the same denominator, which is beyond 1. And the steps to success are: check denominators are the same, check what part of the fraction is being added or subtracted, use addition and subtraction on numerator, convert any improper fraction like 8.3 to a mixed number, which would be 2.5. So we'll find out these steps. In the learning reminders, which follows, we can read these, looking at the peaches to help you. We've got some good sheets here. A good demonstration is look for this and remember the checklists. So remember that denominators are the same. So if you have 12/5 take away 4/5, we see that the denominators are the same. 5s and 5ths are the same. So then we go down to the next checkpoint. Check what the fraction is being added or subtracted. So we look at the numerators, it's 12 and 4. So they can be subtracted. These are the only two that can be subtracted. The denominator will stay the same. And you are subtracting fifths. So 12/5 take away 4/5 leaves you with 8/5. 12 take away 4 is 8. And the denominator remains as fifths. And then with that, for some of you, if you can, how can you change this to a mixed number? Because when we have a fraction like this, we call it an improper. 8/5. To find a mixed number, you can say, how many groups of 5 can we get from 8? 1. So that will be your whole number. The remainder left over from how many 5s will fit into 8 is 3. So that will be your numerator. And underneath, it will remain as fifths. So 8/5 is exactly the same as 1 and 3/5. Okay. Look at the other slideshows, and it will help you to understand that. Then when you get on to your practical work, you've got the mild sheet, looking at the operation which you're doing, if it's either addition or subtraction. Put the answers in the box. Use the number line to help you. And then you've got the hot sheet, the practice sheet. Look carefully at them, work it out using anything that will help you, any practical, using pieces, drawing pizzas. The answer sheets are there, and if you're a little bit stuck, you've got multiple fractions. Everyone can have a go at doing that, just to really get a good understanding of fractions adding. And then you've got a multiple fraction. Maybe you can colour this in. You can find out which fractions are equivalent. So for instance, a half will be exactly the same as 3/6 because they hold the same length. Okay, and then you've got to check your answers, check your understanding with some of these questions, see if you can investigate those. And then some of the big maths work, you've got some fractions that need to be added or subtracted. If they do not hold the same denominator, then there's no need for you to answer the question. So for 23/18 take away 11/15, as you can see, the denominator is different in both fractions. Therefore, you just put no. Okay. Good luck with that. Take care. Bye-bye.